Hello and good morning. Welcome back. Market analytics. Euro Australian dollar is under the microscope. I'm following up on our bearish position. Really fascinating stuff. I mean, the situation here is escalating, and I'm mostly referring to the intense behavior we're getting here from the very local price action. Take a look at this particular system, the black system here, which had been very reliable, I would say, up until yesterday. Right, we saw price traveling inside and even spiking quite impressively on the upside a few days ago, and came all the way back, and it kept spiking that top key level here, 59.46, right? But yesterday was a bit suspicious to me. I noticed that price was closing above 59.46 as if to break out of that black system. But I did like the fact that it was unable to break above the next key level, which is even stronger and much more important. We're talking about the 59.73. Take a look at the close here. It's quite interesting. 59.71, so just 2 pip below 59.73. And you can actually see what's going on right now. I'm not sure if we should trust that downside move. I'm inclined to say that we can. But it's still too early to determine that. Obviously, there is some really nice negative momentum kicking in right now. But I do like the fact that price just dropped straight from that 59.73, even though it did break the 59.46 yesterday. So fingers crossed. We hope the close yesterday was just a noisy move with regards to that local system, which is it's typical because the system is very local here, so it could be very noisy. The mid-high key level of the big setup at 59.73 was holding its line firmly, so that's good news. Let me show you again where that key level is coming from, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So obviously we're focusing here on the blue setup, right? The blue setup. We've just been a few weeks ago, for the first time, we broke below 59.73, right? We had that close pretty decisively below that key level. Later on, we saw the first test from below. Last week was a second touch base here, basically a retest. And this is a second retest, right? This week already. So looks like this level is strong and it's going to hold, which means price will capitulate and go back to the downside move, which it started already with that huge, you remember this one, that huge tail that ran off the top key level 64.07, came all the way back with vengeance, right? So we think we're pretty sure that price should continue on the downside and complete the move. We already have here 4 legs, so we're trying to play out the 5th leg straightforward, right? Now let me take you back again to the daily chart. I haven't done any change to the stop loss level yet, right? We want to see price really breaking out of that black system, kind of limiting the local price action. Once we get crossed below that bottom key level here, 57.75, I will both begin to increase the position quite aggressively, but also will adjust the stop loss level accordingly. So that's the situation right now. Obviously, we're becoming increasingly bearish as price begins to drop. Let's hope it's going to sustain. See you in the next video.